today I'm going to be doing something new because I'm not going to be doing anything at all. My sister's going to be doing my makeup. Welcome, Garima.
Hi guys.
So how this goes is she's going to be doing my makeup, and just so you guys know, we don't know makeup at all. Like, we don't use makeup. I use it only for like occasions, which is very rare. And obviously she doesn't know how to use it except for watching James Charles videos. I don't think she knows anything else. But and in order to make it more fun, because this is our third attempt of doing this, so we thought of adding like who's most likely to questions in the middle, just so I don't see your face and keep staring at it and laughing. So let's get started.
So I'm gonna be using this foundation. So let's get started.
So who's most likely to forget birthdays or anniversaries? Garima never knew my birthday until 3 years back. This is so bad. So it's obviously going to be her. Who is most likely to be impatient? Oh, she literally has no patience. Like, literally no patience. Who is most likely to get married first? Me. How much have you put? That means so much.
What to do?
The start only feels
I don't know
wrong.
how to do this.
Who is most likely to always be happy? I think Garima. She's like always smiling and like doing things. So yeah. Who is most likely to skydive? Oh, we both, I'm sure. We both are such adventurous people, not persons. We literally tried everything, I guess. No, we haven't. No, we totally haven't. Who is most likely to have an ugly... Sorry. Who is most likely to accidentally kill someone? Oh, I think that's gonna be me. I don't know why, but like, I'm always tripping on people or like making people fall and stuff. It's sad, and once there was such a bad accident. Who is most likely to get a stalker? Oh, stalker. That sounds fun though. I think that is going to be so fun. Just imagine having like a stalker. You know, it's kind of creepy, but yeah. Who is most likely to be a good cook? Just so you know, I suck at cooking. I know I said this earlier, but literally I'm so bad at cooking. I don't know anything. I hate getting to the kitchen.
So right now I'm gonna be using this compact.
Okay, so she just put the foundation. I don't know whether you can see it, but I can totally feel it. And oh my god, it smells so good. So, who's most likely to sing in the shower? Garima sings in the shower every day, and you can hear her to like the other. How? You can hear her till the other room. She sings that loudly.
I literally poked her in the eye with this.
Yeah, it's my eye. Who is most likely to be hungry 20%? So, my house is like a foodie house. Okay, we all just hog on food, like literally. We just finished a packet of Maggi, which is actually at like 12 o'clock right now. So yeah. Who is most likely to have the most piercings? Piercings? I don't mind. I like piercings. I think it's so cool and fun. Garima is like scared of like sharp things and needles and stuff, so she won't usually. Oh, she wouldn't do that. Who is most likely to take more selfies? Well, who is most likely to take more selfies? So, I'm always taking selfies, like I'm always pulling her into the frame, but she's literally always ignoring me because she just wants to just see YouTube videos. Like,
And
that's
chillax,
her.
yeah.
Chillax. Who's most likely to ask stupid questions? Oh, me for sure. I can ask the most dumbest questions, but I think asking questions is kind of cool. Like, not cool, but like, it's good in a way. At least you get the answers to it. Who's most likely to be best at maths? I liked maths. I was good at maths till the 8th standard. After that, it got so complicated, I couldn't remember a thing.
So right now I'm gonna be using this lip balm or lipstick, you can call it.
I don't know. I mean, can you guys see a difference? Because all I feel is powder and a good smell. Literally. Okay, now please be careful of that one. So, just so you guys know, in the previous video that we tried to attempt at this, it was so bad. She literally did it all over my face.
So yeah. It is going under her lip. So this is gonna be.
She's stop doing it purposely.
I'm not doing it purposely. I want to make a look like a joker, but whatever. So just that.
Vandika's laughing in the background. Is
Whoever,
that bad?
if you don't know who she is, she's our other sister. So yeah. Right now I'm gonna be doing the eyelash color. I really wish I don't poke in the eye.
If you do now, you see, you watch out.
I'm scared. I can't do with his. Ouch!
Be careful.
I can't get an eyelash. Okay, okay, she's gonna do it because I don't want to poke her in the eye. So, okay, yeah, she did it properly. Thank God.
I honestly don't really believe in these stuff, but okay. Okay, who is most likely to own a beauty salon? I guess both of us. Anyway, it's just so like, she uses makeup. Like she actually watches Jim Shah's videos all the time. I mean,
I try. So right now I'm gonna be using this eyeliner.
eyeliner.
Yeah.
By a 10-year-old guys.
This is gonna be
I don't
very
know why I'm
bad.
doing this all the time.
Okay, I don't know where this eyeliner goes.
Above the eye.
Okay, got it. So I'm scared. I'm gonna do like that. I accidentally got above her eye.
Garima, do it properly and slowly.
Don't blink. Just go to your eye.
Okay. Guys, can you see it? Oh my god, this is so scary. Like I'm actually scared of how I'm looking. Especially that it's not going to be.
I really hope. Oh God, I'm not. Oh my God.
Guys,
I'm
is that bad?
I'm not doing this on purpose. I am literally so bad. I'm literally shaking my hand. This one is not thick and that
Oh
one
my
is thick. Wait, let me just finish this one.
Oh wait, I'm not supposed to open my eyes. 4.5 seconds. Okay.
So that's funny because this is not thick. So that is it. Now we're going to be using this product of Kajal. So yeah.
Kajal! Avantika is laughing in the background.
Oh God. This is how this works. Why is it broken?
This is not guys. Okay,
Oh,
this
okay.
proves like you're an actual kid. It's so good. Like,
I don't know how to do this.
no, it goes under the eye.
That's what I'm doing that. I'm trying. Like this. Help. Guys, help.
Oh my gosh, I'm going to shut my eyes.
No, no. I got it on the eyebrow.
Is it wrong?
Oh, your eyelash.
Garima. Okay, do it again, come on.
So guys, oh God. That is fat. That is just fat. I try guys. Oh God. I'm just gonna do it.
Ah!
This is not coming. Okay, wait. 1 second, guys.
What?
So,
I can actually visualize how I'm looking right now. And it's so not good. And she's like pressing my head like it's a pressure cooker.
I can't do anything else. She's looking like the goat, like half eyes open. I want to do one more touch up, like. Oh God,
Ketchup?
yeah, wait.
Don't you think you've already done it enough up and down?
No, because I want to take. So guys, I'm just gonna put a little kajal in my hand and do like
Kajal's not
Simba. So
Guys, is
How do
it
you
that
do this?
bad?
I'm just gonna like,
Simba.
yeah, I'm gonna do Simba.
I can feel like, you know those baboos when they enter the new house and then they put tilak.
Simba.
I think that's enough, Garima. Bas.
No, at the cheek. It's needed. Simba.
The side is first.
This is so funny.
I don't even know what to say right now because I have no words.
She's speechless about my beautiful drawing on her face.
Surely beautiful. It's gonna be like a masterpiece. Masterpiece like Garima Sharma.
Like James Charles.
James Charles. I see what she's doing. Okay. Who's most likely to fall down the stairs? Garima. Once a week, she falls down the stairs during her school time. And she doesn't get hurt. She'll fall down, but never get hurt.
So I guess I'm done now, guys. This whole bag is done.
What must I say? This is what happens when you make your sister do your makeup. Which I would truly not suggest anyone to do because I haven't seen my face yet, but let's do it.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Can I see that? Can I see?
This is so bad!
Can I see that?
Anyways, guys, I think that's it for today. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was a little funny. Let me know what I should do next and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
And hit that notification bell to notify every time she posts a new video.
Bye!